How to add admin to Facebook page. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add admin to Facebook page. So let's dive in. First, you simply have to open your Facebook app, and then you have to click this menu icon in the bottom right corner, and now you have to just switch to your page. I'm going to click this arrow over here and then choose my page. And once you choose the page, now you have to click this menu icon again, and then you have to click this settings gear. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now click page settings. And in the page settings, you have to scroll down until you see this option that says page access. And now you can see you have these two options over here. You can just go with people with task access and click add new. And then it's going to bring you to this page, and you have to click next. And now you can just choose the username that you want to give access to or make admin. And for example, let's just search for Mark Zuckerberg, and then it's going to just give you the people over here, and you can just choose a person, and then it's going to give you this option over here. Just choose all these options and click give access, and that's how you make an admin for Facebook page. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.